But let it be known that you are abandoning all of these poor souls to damnation.
Perhaps you should be more concerned about your own soul, sister. People have died by your fault.
Alright, let's see. Find and destroy the 10-lid nests. Oh, there's 3 nests? Shnikes. I didn't know that there were... Wait, what? Where the hell are the rest of the nests? What? What's going on here? What am I supposed to do here? I'm so confused. Find and destroy the 10-lid nests. 1 of 3. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? Alright, so I guess I gotta go back to that one. This quest is super confusing. So I went to the store today, and as you guys well know, Apple Jacks is one of my favorite cereals, if not my favorite. They have an Apple Jacks with marshmallows, which I was not ready for. I just had a bowl of that. It was fantastic. Just Apple Jacks with more sugar. So it's telling me to go talk to this woman, but I've talked to this woman about 10 times. I just gotta exhaust all of her dialogue options, maybe?
May the trees protect you on Olmanawi. My sister may now return to the earth.
Good. Fantastic. Okay. Now what? What? What's going on here?
May the trees protect you on Olmanawi. My sister may now return to the earth.
No, don't tell me this quest is bugged. Oh, no. Hold on. I just gotta Google something. I just want to make sure that my quest isn't bugged. What is it? Constantine's fate. Oh no. The governor with his pain a complete uh-oh. Oh, so I'm missing another nest, apparently. Sorry, I just had to Google these. So I got that one, There's one there and one there. Alright, sorry, I'm cheating just a little bit. So apparently there's one over here. I absolutely hate using Google to help me out, but I just wanted to make sure that I didn't get some game-breaking bug, you know. Ah, damn it.
Here is one of the 3 nests that I needed to destroy.
Okay. That's kind of weird. Like, how am I supposed to know where these things are?
Protect me in this battle.
explode. Nice. Good. Alright, well, we're making progress now. So that's nice. So we got that one. Then there's one supposedly like right here somewhere. Because I got the one in the cave. Then I got the one at the top of the map, right? I think I did. Like, pretty sure I did.
Here is one of the 3 nests that I needed to destroy. Still, the ideal moment.
Nice.
I must kill the dominant one before destroying it.
And let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. Let's see if you can ward off this fate!
The 3rd nest is destroyed. The Master Hunter will be relieved to hear it, I'm sure. The nests are destroyed, and with the death of the White Tenland, the attacks should cease. And we were even able to convince the missionaries to leave. Katasak should be willing to follow us now. Let's go and find him.
Gotta help Constantine. There's no way around it. Hello.
I can see from your face that you were victorious.
Indeed,
There we go, Liz.
I put the White Tenland down, who was enraging his kind, and destroyed their nests. The attack should no longer trouble you. As for the missionaries, we were able to convince them to leave, although they were not willing to reveal their involvement in the attacks that caused you such harm.
And so they were in some way responsible. I had my suspicions, but I could not see their reasons.
They brought a particularly large beast here that attracted and enraged the others.
This is what provoked the attacks and brought on our despair. These people have blood on their hands.
In the end, we found the missing young ones. But alas, it was too late. Devoured by wild beasts.
And divorced to your end. You did well on Almanawi. Now they should be able to find the rest.
Will you agree to accompany me now? My cousin needs your help.
I have packed what is
There we
needed.
go. Nice.
I am ready to journey with you.
It's always nice not being lied to. Jesus,
This
Constantine.
pain,
Fuck me.
it'll be the death of me. I can't control my body. It's like being a stranger in a marionette set ablaze. Consumed by a smouldering fire. The moment's growing near, isn't it? Am I about to surrender my ghost to the Reaper of Souls? You pop in just when you're needed, cousin, as always. Who are you? Your hand is cold as ice.
Your cousin is burning.
That is such a relief.
Let me present Katisach, Constantine. He is the greatest healer on the island. He will help you.
Please, stay.
I am here for you, Rnaise, and I will not leave until I found a way to ease your pain and suffering. Fill your mind with the patience of the ocean. I know not how much time I will need. I've never seen such a sickness. The spirits of your lands must be quite horrendous to cast down such evils upon the peoples that live there.
Thank you. The mage doctor of Thélème put on quite a show of light. Lovely. But it had no remedial effect. I give you my last ounce of hope. Thank you, cousin. I don't want to imagine my plight without your intervention.
Fuck, that didn't work. Constantine, I'm gonna figure this shit out, man. Got 3 skill points. Let's go with the storm. How you liking the game? What's up, Simply? Dude, I'm loving it. I'm about 30-ish hours in, I think. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Have you played it? Or are you just trying to check out some gameplay before you pick it up? Oh, thank you so much for the follow, Curse. I appreciate you. Alright, so we did that. I do need to go back and do this one. Let's go check out the results of this. Wait, did I upgrade my ring? I did. Right? This one? Yeah. Yeah, so, like, how long ago did this game come out? I think it came out...
me in this battle.
A bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Got this far in the mission for your cuz my game glitched out on my main missions. Wait, what? Which mission glitched out? Was it like right where I am? Because I had an issue like a couple minutes ago where like one of my quest markers wasn't working, and I just had to I basically just Googled where the nests were. Hey Victoria, how you doing, girl? How's your weekend going? Sorry, I haven't been coming. Ah, dude, don't even worry about it. I appreciate you every single time I see your face. Yeah, honestly, the last like couple days haven't been really feeling too well, so I've been kind of giving it my all, you know. Yeah, the one destroying the 3 nests. Oh, you didn't like delete your game, did you, Curse? Because I had that same thing happen where it wouldn't tell me where I was supposed to go. I just Googled it. Like I literally Googled it like 2 minutes ago. And it showed me where the nests were, and I was able to destroy them and progress. So hopefully you still got your game. Cause yeah, I was worried, cause I'm really digging it, But if I have to restart it and lose like 30 plus hours, I don't think I would. Trying to set up some college shit. Oh, there you go. Oh, then you definitely don't have to apologize. It's good to hear, though. Glad you're finally getting that stuff going. Don't need that. Ooh, hello. That'll go in the box. Major's gauntlets. Can I wear the booties? I can't wear the booties. So funny how like some unique stuff isn't as good as I was at the last one. I couldn't destroy it at all. I tried for 3 hours straight when I destroyed the other two. Huh. You know what? So I was looking into it, into that quest that you're talking about, and they were saying that there's not only 3 nests, there's 4. So if one glitches out, you can always go to the 4th one. Was this the map? No, this wasn't the map. Fuck, I wish I could remember what map it was on. I could show you where they were. I'll start working a second job, another restaurant job. Calls Risottis, Italian sports drinks, and Italian food place. Oh, dude, that sounds awesome. I would kill for some pasta right now. Yeah, hold on. You know what, let me talk to these guys real quick, and then I'll back out to the map, and I'll show you. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna flip over to display capture real quick. Give me one sec. So here's the map that I saw. There was like I got this one and I got this one, but it was only showing one. And then I had to go find this one and that one. And I was able to get through it, but like none of the quest markers were popping up. Was I game capture? There we go. Sorry, I'm having like a really bad hair day. I'm trying to have my headset hold it down for me.
Oh, there you are, Your Excellency. The Enlightened has heard my prayers.
What's going on? Where are the others?
After deciphering the content of the tablets, they went north to continue their research in some swamps. But they must have encountered problems. Brother Fidelis came back here, and he was in a dreadful state. He most likely came to seek help, but he fainted. It's impossible for us to know what happened to them.
I'm not a doctor, but I may be able to examine him.
Oh, please do. Any help would be appreciated. We've done our best, but our magic has proved inefficient. And the healer we sent for will certainly arrive too late from San Mateus.
Yeah, I could help him out.
This man is burning up with fever, and he bears several bite marks and traces of blows.
The blows did not put him in this state. He looks like a victim of poisoning. With the right antidote, I think we could get him back on his feet.
Have you tried giving him any anti-poison?
Of course, but to no avail. And what if it were a hex cast by the heretics?
No matter what happens, you always suspect them. This man was in the swamp. We know it's home to many creatures that we have a poor knowledge of. But local healers will certainly know which antidote to use. We could ask Lair. He will direct us to someone who understands remedies.
Love-hate relationship. I'm glad I'm leaving soon. Ah, man. That's what happens with families. You guys always have ups and downs, you know? So I'm really disliking this, like, little religious cult thing that they have going on over here. Because anything bad happens, they're like, oh, it's natives' fault. It's gotta be the natives. But, oh, you know, I just realized I got a new spell that I want to slap on. Make that 6. Yeah, we can do that. See if he can help us out.
On Olmanawi, you've come back to see old Lair. I heard that you managed to retrieve the tablets.
Did Vindwal tell you?
Yes, and I feel more at peace, knowing that our brothers are alive, and that they will be able to join another clan. And you proved me right. Peace with the Renaigse is possible.
Ask him if he knows a healer for Fidelis.
I need your advice. You may already know that one of the researchers came back wounded from the expedition.
I heard about it.
He has all the symptoms of a poisoning, but the anti-poisons we gave him had no effect. He must have been bitten by a creature of the swamp, and we're looking for a healer who would know of a suitable antidote.
So, you came to see me. Interesting. Our neighbors did not think for one moment that we could be helpful. Alas, our Donegat is one of the exiles. But Vindwal knows plants well. She will know.
Thank you. I will go see her. I hope she agrees to help us.
Okay.
I have to go.
Let's go see if she helps.
Like so.
Dude, natives are like so much nicer than all the oh, fuck, what's the word I'm looking for? The guys who like invaded the land. Like so much nicer than all the civilized folk. How far do you know this shit? Oh, from your tarot readings? Nice.
Here you are again. What do you want?
You know what does she know about Lair?
What can you tell me about Lair, your former leader?
He is a man of peace. Some people dislike him, not me. Everything he did to save the village. But I think the mind shakers made him forget what we are. He almost speaks like them now.
I have come to ask for your help. Lair told me you know about remedies.
I do know a few of them. I have learned about plants. I used to want to become a Donegat.
One of the researchers came back wounded from the expedition. Apparently he was bitten by a creature of the swamp.
And now he has the Llewellyn fever. We have a good knowledge about this affliction. He will die if he does not receive proper treatment.
Do you know which antidote should be given to him?
Yes. These priests are idiots. They could have asked for our help, but they treat us like children. You are different. And you have allowed my son to join a new clan. So, I will give you the potion to cure the priest. Wait a moment.
Damn, that was easy.
Make him drink this remedy and he'll get better.
Thank you, Vindwal.
Man, I don't even want to say what I'm worried about right now. I really hope this doesn't kill this guy. As like their way of saying, stop treating us like fucking children. Honestly, been feeling very happy lately, even with the sucky relationship with my mom, though. As long as you got a smile on your face and you're feeling happy, that makes me happy.
Where am I?
I am glad to hear
You
that.
are in Eden. You're safe.
Was I unconscious for a long time? The other members of the expedition, they are in danger. The swamp is so hostile. We weren't prepared for it. Some of our people have disappeared.
What caused these wounds?
A nightmarish creature. The swamp is full of them. A colleague and I had left to fetch some help when we were attacked. I managed to run away.